My name's Chris Kaiser, and I'm Director of Sales for EV Service Infrastructure at SiteLogic. Organizations install EV charging for a variety of reasons, and it really depends on the customer or tenant that they are serving within the organization. So a multifamily property is going to have a different reason than, say, a fleet customer who just purchased a bunch of electric vehicles. But at the end of the day, it's to improve the organizational operations or make their tenants or customers happier. One of the worst things that can happen is underestimating the cost of EV charging and also the complexity and time it can take to get EV charging infrastructure installed at the property. A lot of people think that the hard part in EV charging is just getting the hardware, or they think that's the only expensive part. But oftentimes, if there's not existing electrical capacity, we have to bring in new electrical infrastructure. And that can take 12 months, 18 months. So engaging early in the process, even before the decision to purchase EVs has been made, is usually the best strategy to ensure the complexities around installing EV charging aren't overlooked. If an organization doesn't have funding to install EV charging infrastructure, there are many entities out there that will fund it as part of a charging as a service, or they will own the EV charging system outright and handle all installation, operations, and maintenance for the organization. So if there is any cash constraints on the organizational side, SiteLogic can help pair the organization with entities that will possibly fund the installation of the EV charging hardware. SiteLogic's the best partner for EV charging installation projects because of our deep experience and expertise in the market. In addition to the projects we've installed across many different organizations across the country, we also work with many different partners, both on the hardware side, the software side, the operation and maintenance side, and also the finance side of installing EV charging equipment. My biggest piece of advice, if an organization is looking to install EV charging, is just engage as soon as possible. We don't charge anything for an initial conversation, and in that initial conversation, oftentimes customers will understand way more than they did coming into it.